Listen carefully to the story. The title is The Lost Puppy. One sunny afternoon, Emma and her friend Omar were walking home from school. The birds were singing, and the street was quiet. Suddenly, they heard a soft whimper coming from the bushes. Curious, Emma bent down. She found a tiny brown puppy, shivering and looking lost. Oh no, he must have lost his way, Omar said. The puppy wagged its tail and followed them closely. They looked around, but no one seemed to be searching for a dog. So the children decided to ask at the nearby houses. At the third house, an old woman came out. She looked worried. My puppy! Thank you, children, she cried with joy. She picked up the little dog and hugged it tightly. Emma and Omar smiled. Helping the puppy had made their day special. That was the story. The Lost Puppy. Now get ready to answer the questions on your worksheet.